Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Your friend and guide advocate Amit Gupta. As you are aware that I am committed to explain the GST laws, sections, notifications in simplified way and manner so that it might be useful for the law students and law professionals. Today my topic is section 67 subsection 10 and subsection 11. But before coming to subsection 10 of section 67, I just want to explain section 11 because it is very important and crucial section. Section 67 says where the proper officer has reason to believe that any person has evaded or is attempting to evade the payment of any tax, he may, for reasons to be recorded in writing, seize the accounts, register, or documents of such person produced before him and shall grant a receipt for the same and shall retain the same for so long as he may necessary in connection with any proceedings under this act or the rules made thereunder for prosecution. यानी यदि अगर ऑफिसर को ये लगता है इफ द ऑफिसर इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट द पर्सन रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन हैज इवेडेड और is attempting to evade the payment of any tax that may cause a loss to the exchequer. In that scenario, he may, for reason to be recorded in writing, seize the accounts. By giving reasoning, he may seize the accounts, register or documents of such person produced before him. Means the primary and the basic objective of the officer in charge is to safeguard the interest of revenue, to protect the interest of revenue, and to ensure that in case there is any loss, to the exchequer or there is a possibility of any loss to the exchequer, under those circumstances the officer in charge sees the documents for recovering the amount. I think once again I have to read the entire subsection 11 for the better clarity and understanding. Where the proper officer has reason to believe that any person has evaded or is attempting to evade the payment of any tax, he may, for reason to be recorded in writing, seize the accounts, register or documents of such person produced before him and shall grant a receipt for the same. Means once the document has been seized by the proper officer, shall grant a receipt for the same and shall retain the seized document for the period for which he feels necessary for the purpose of investigation or in the interest of prosecution. Now come on section 9 and 10. Where any goods being goods specified in subsection 8 have been seized by a proper officer or any officer authorized by him, under subsection 2 he shall prepare an inventory of such goods in such manner as may be prescribed. Means if any goods has been seized by the proper officer, then he has to prepare the inventory of the same good that has been seized by him. Purpose of making the inventory is that sometimes there can be allegation levied on the officer that he has not recorded the proper thing. He has to record every inventory and get it cross-signed by the person whose inventory has been attached or seized. The provision of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 relating to search and seizure shall, so far as may, apply to search and seizure under this section, subject to the modification that subsection 5 of section 165 of the said code shall have effect as if the word magistrate, wherever it occurred, the word commissioner were substituted. So friends, we have covered subsection 9, subsection 10, subsection 11 of section 67 of the GST Act. I hope that these three subsections might be helpful for you for your academic course or for the professional task or work. In case you find any, in case you need any query, if you have any query regarding the section 67, just write on the chat box. Our team will respond you in next 24 hours. And in case you are having suggestions regarding this GST channel, then kindly forward your suggestions too. And one my last prayer, kindly like my channel, subscribe my channel, and forward my videos, so that the interpretation of the GST which I am forwarding is may be helpful for across the India, because according to me GST is the best act ever I have gone through. Thanks for today. Bye दोस्तों. Namaskar.